Hold your toys properly. Hello everyone! Sa araw na ito, pumunta kami ulit sa Pidya, sa hospital ng anak ko dahil meron siyang lagnat pa rin, hindi bumababa sa 100. So sabi nung Pidya, kasi gabi pa lang pumunta na kami ng emergency dahil nga sobrang taas talaga yung kanyang lagnat. Kaya sabi ko sa daddy at sa mga in-laws ko na sabi ko, tara punta na tayo ng emergency kasi meron naman tayong doctor talaga, sabi ko na pediatrician. Tatawagan lang po yan ng mga nurses or yung intern doctor doon, sabi ko sa kanila. Kaya mga alas 9 ng gabi ng Sunday, pumunta kami ng emergency. So yun, binigyan lang siya ng antibiotic kasi okay naman siya, kumakain naman siya kahit paunti-unti. Yun nga lang, mataas yung kanyang lagnat, 104 Fahrenheit. So kung i-convert mo yun sa Celsius, nagiging 40 degrees Celsius na siya. Kaya syempre ako nagwo-worry talaga ako kapag ganun na yung lagnat. Kaya yun, pagkaaga bumalik kami. So wala nga kaming number guys kasi nga yung number namin, tumawag si Biana ng super duper aga pero nasa 46 daw yung number namin. Pero nung pagpunta namin doon, yung secretary kasi ng ng Pidya ng anak ko, kilala na kami talaga kasi simula nung baby pa lang yung anak ko, siya na talaga yung pediatrician namin. So sabi niya, halina kayo po pumunta na kayo dito, magbayad na lang kayo sa reception, sabi niya, tsaka punta kayo dito, sabi niya, kikiluhin na natin kasi kinikilo, kinikilo, tingnan yung height ba? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung voice over na yan? Ang hirap kaya mag voice over guys kasi masakit yung lalamunan ko dahil meron din akong parang feeling ko yung lalamunan ko habang umiinom ako ng marami kong gamot. Grabe talaga, umiipekto din sa lalamunan ko. So yun, after nun, ang bilis lang namin guys, wala, mga siguro 1 oras lang. Tapos na siya. Binigyan lang din siya ng gamot, tapos tinanggal yung hindi na pinabigay sa kanya yung antibiotic nung gabi na sinabi. Kaisang inom lang siya. Kadalawang inom lang siya ng antibiotic na yon. Sabi ng Pidya niya, huwag natin bigyan ng antibiotic. Sabi niya, siya, viral flu kasi uso ngayon. Kasi 'di ba, nag-change na din yung klima. Tapos syempre nag-aaral siya. Pero nagkaroon kasi siya ng lagnat guys, hindi lang natin kasi alam talaga yung kasi meron minsan kapag yung bata, nahahalata ko kasi sa kanya yung lagi siyang parang nauubo siya, na feeling mo yung makati yung lalamunan mo. Yun yung nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Kaya lagi ko siyang tinatanong, makati ba yung lalamunan mo? Sabi, masakit ba yung lalamunan mo? Tinatanong ko siya lagi. I'm sorry, gaganon lang siya. So kaya tinuturuan ko siya na magsabi ng totoo, na hindi siya mag-lie. Kaya nung sinasabi niya sa akin, Mommy, I'm sick, I feel pain. Tapos tinatanong ko sa kanya kung saan yung pain, sabi niya, in my throat, sabi niya sa akin. Kaya sinabi ko sa doktor na, Dok, lagi niya sinasabi niya, masakit daw yung throat niya. Tapos yun, tinignan lahat. Tapos yung meron siyang, yung utot siya ng utot ba guys. Tapos ayun, binigyan siya ng pang-tummy na medicine para sa soft na pagpupo. Tapos sa constipation siguro yun. So ayan, dahil sabi ng lola niya, kapag gumaling ka, kapag pumunta tayo ng doktor na magaling ka na, bibilhan kita ng laruan, kahit anong gusto mong laruan, yung bike or yung truck, color red, kasi yun yung mga request niya sa lola niya. Kaya ayan guys, panoorin nyo kung yung mga pinagagawa ng kanyang lola at ng kanyang apo, kung yung mga bibilhin or yung mabibili dyan. It's all saris, Mommy. And their dresses. Where is the toys? We're going to toys, anak. Here, Dad, in my bag. Here, where's the toys? I like these toys, mommy. Oh, like this. Oh, like that.
Hey, toys. You like these toys?
Age to 2 years old. Oh, let's go there. Let's find toys. Come here. I think this one, mommy, here.
No, that is not me.
This one, in the picture.
वो वाला है ऐसा जाता है ना?
कौन सा? ना स्कूटर वाला।
स्कूटर ना, स्केटिंग टाइप।
स्केटिंग कौन सा वाला? जूता टाइप का आता है, एक तो बोट टाइप का आता है। कौन सा वाला?
दिखाई तो कौन सा?
तो जूता टाइप का आता है।
और दिखाई ना।
Come here, anak. You will
कौन सा कैमरा?
hold mommy hand.
No.
No.
जूता टाइप का जो
I want
आता है।
this one.
यस्तो होइन अर्को स्केटिङ होइन हौ
ना,
आफ्नै
ये वाला
बच्चे
ही है।
गर्दा होइन ऐसा ऐसा
I want
ऐसा
this
तो
one.
साइकिल
Which
वाला
one
है।
you want? Come here.
का
थोड़ा हैंडल होता है, पाव रखता है।
हाँ समझ गया, वो वाला स्कूटर बोलता है उसको।
कहाँ पऱ्यो हो है
Oh, come here. What do you want?
This one.
That you have already that before now.
और ये वाला है मेरे पास, जूता वाला आता है।
Okay. No.
What?
I want you again.
Oh, what do you want?
I want this one.
What is that?
That one's a game.
That's a game?
Yes.
You just ask grandma. Go ask grandma. How much this? This is there. Wow. Wow.
I don't like this.
Oh, that is the one you want, baby. Baby, look. You open it. Wow, that's a car.
No, I don't like the car.
So what do you want? So what do you want?
This a car.
स्कूटर होता है, स्कूटर।
So, where are you going? This one is not good. That's dirty.
Please.
There's a car, oh, look.
I want this one.
That is a small toy only, Nak.
Please.
That is not a big one.
You want these?
No.
Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.
You cannot ride.
I'll show you.
I show you?
Yes.
Well, she will show us though, Daddy, what she wanted. Okay. Choose what you want. Oh, careful.
Yeah.
What do you want? You have already that. Don't buy that one. That is not useful. Where's grandma? Grandma is gone. Grandma will pay.
Call grandma. Grandma.
Call grandma. Call grandma. Call grandma. Call grandma. Where's grandma now? Excuse me. Say excuse me.
Grandma.
Hey, chair. Mommy. Chair. Chair na lang. Table and chair. No need na to buy that car.
Like this. Oh, purple.
You want that?
No.
She don't want na naman.
Right on, baby starry.
No.
Age 2 plus. She don't know what she want.
Look here.
Come here to grandma. Come here.
Swing car. Swing car.
No.
What do you like?
That is
Swing car.
the scar. So what do you want?
Then let's go home.
Let's go home if you don't want.
You don't neglect.
Ay, that is not useful, anak. That is not useful. That is not useful. You have already that. Come here. That's dirty. Car na lang, car. If you want car, then okay.
कौन सा वाला चाहिए ये वाला?
This car is good, the one you have, this car. Huh? Octopus? Oh, yeah, rude. Insect. Oh, insect. Oh, insect. Oh, big insect. Go, 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 go.
No, no.
Eat a big insect.
No, not
She had,
Look now here, big insect.
she saw a lot in her eyes again.
Ah, take a. Look, there is big insect.
कौन सा वाला? ये वाला कि छोटा वाला?
Yeah.
रेड वाला?
Huh? भाई octopus को यार गिरा है सब में.
उसका नहीं है।
हाँ?
दूसरा नहीं है।
Gira है यार. Let's go.
I want the octopus.
No octopus here is
Insect
insect.
and the
Mosquito.
ants.
Ant. You like? So let's go. Okay. Don't worry.
You don't want? Okay, do need.
No need. Let's go.
I like this one.
What?
Which
Which
one?
one?
This one.
This one? Okay.
This one?
Okay.
Small car?
Yes.
Okay. Bye. ये दिखा दो.
What color, dear? Which one you want? This one, small car? Okay. What color? Me color pink?
ये तुम्हारा ये छोटा का small that is the. Okay.
This is the one big.
Okay. That's the big. You take this.
This
okay.
this one is big one. Bibi. Bibi, that one is big one.
You take okay.
This one is big one.
Okay.
This is like Didi.
Bye. Wait.
This is like Didi.
Wait. Same हो.
This is a car.
ये हो.
हाँ ये सही।
I buy.
है बरदा वाला?
Color है. तो ये color.
Color
कलर मैम दो कलर आते हैं,
Pink.
एक तो ऑरेंज ब्लू है और एक तो आपका ग्रे ग्रीन आएगा। जो फोटो
Green?
दिया हुआ है।
Grey green है.
green now.
हाँ ये होते हैं दिया था. ये देखिए green का है.
ये वाला छोटा है, इससे भी छोटा है।
ये देखो दालू.
कति वर्ष लाग्यो 4 वर्ष प्लस को थियो
Nandito na naman ang lola. Namimili na naman ng damit ng apo. Mommy is hungry now. Nandun na siya. Nandun na siya. Itong batang to nawala yung fever pagkatapos pumunta sa supermarket. Daddy, what happened? I'm hungry, anak. I'm hungry. Too much.
बोला कहाँ गयो
Mommy's going there.
ओ बोला
I'm hungry na that time. What vegetable in the house, Dad?
त्यो दिएको नि तिमी हिजो कहाँ के हो त्यो
Dad, maybe she will fall, ah? She had fever.
तिमी कहाँ
ये वाला green. हाँ
Chika, come here. Don't touch her.
what is it? The baby. Baby no?
Cute baby. So, yan yung bibilhin.
One second I brought it. Look at it.
Wow!
What is it?
Wow!
이게 뭐지? 얘라 혼자? 거리에 쏠래? Huh? You don't like it? Oh,
You told me you want that. The car.
Sit down, sit down.
Oh, go.
This car.
Wow, that's a car. Oh, hold it.
Panda. Sit down, you go. Sit down.
Sit down. And ride the car.
Ride the
Wow.
car.
Wow. Wow.
This one is small वाला इसका है ना? ये small version है.
ये तो छोटा हो गया तो
हाँ.
इससे बड़ा साइज में होगा
let's go. Go.
चार
छोटा भइला है?
plus,
यो सानो पर्छ। No, let's go.
What happened me?
Small, no.
small,
Big, big. Let's go. Let's go.
Nagbabayad pa si Mami doon. So lumabas ako kasi nagutom ako. Kumain ako nito. Croissant. Nagbabayad pa siya eh. Mahaba ang pila. Sabi ko wala na.
बापर सेल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जहां पे कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स खरीदारी पे आइए हमारे शोरूम
Hold your toys properly. Now she's fine. So we're home, guys, and I'm so sleepy. Kakain ako, matutulog. Si Mami bumili ng biryani kasi gusto kong biryani. Hindi na kami nakapagluto. Ano ng oras?
zero. I not love you. I love you.
Wow, you have a good toys. Toot, toot. What is the name of your toy? Stop.